Why most digital products don't make money? Because if digital products were as easy as people make it, why are you not making money from it yet? Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going. Hello, everyone. My name is Idayat, and I am a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income that brings money into my bank account daily. One of my streams of income is what a lot of people know me for, which is my modest fashion clothing brand that I built with a donated sewing machine up to a multiple six-figure brand from the comfort of my home while raising 4 children. So now, if you are interested in getting easy, modest clothing, modest sets, so you don't have to have a complicated closet because your life is already complicated, make sure you check the link below so you can start shopping now. But I want to break it down to you because I'm also an entrepreneur and I also have a digital product. I created this digital product a couple of months ago, and within 6 months of creating it, I was able to make over $100,000. And I want to teach you my strategy so your digital product is not just sitting on the shelf, okay, in your head. So let's get straight into it. There are 5 key elements that has to be in your digital product to make it stand out. Let's break it down step by step because I am a clarity coach. I like to break things down step by step. So number 1 is your digital product has to be irresistible. Okay, what does that mean? It has to be a product that solves a pressing problem that people already have. You are not selling to people that don't know they have a problem. You are selling to people that already know they have a problem. They're trying to figure out a solution. For example, when you want to fix something in the house, let's say your tap broke and you don't want to call a handyman, where do you go, right? You will go to YouTube and go watch a DIY video, or you will go to Google, or you will go to TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform. Did somebody tell you to go there? When you got to the social media platform that you went to, did somebody have to encourage you to click the link? No. Why? Because you were in pressing need of that item so you can solve a problem. Now, the item that you got, the digital product that you got that was free, right, will 9 times out of 10 lead you to a paid digital product. And sometimes you're not paying with money, you're paying with your email, right? But anyway, any way or the other, you are going to pay. Okay, this is how I teach my students the strategy of being irresistible using SEO. So even when people search up how to, right, make my 4C child hair as a white woman, it can pop up because they have made that digital product to solve that specific problem. Which takes me to number 2. The riches is in the niches. The more you niche down, which I know you are very scared to do because you think you want to get everybody's money because you're so badly in need of money. I need you to know that you can make millions of billions of dollars by niching down. When you are general, you are talking to nobody. If you get on this channel and I say, hello, everyone, it's different from saying, hello, how are you today? When you make things personal, the people that you're talking to, it will be easier for them to understand that you're talking to them. But when you're talking to everyone, you're talking to nobody. So your niches will make you rich, okay? So that takes me to point number 3. You have to solve a pressing problem. When you help people solve a problem, you give them a transformation. People do not buy products. They buy transformation. What does that mean, Idayat? It means they buy how the product makes them feel. If you go to my website today at covermecutie.com and you buy this tile A-line set that comes with a hijab and a dress and a belt, tall girl friendly, short girl friendly, curvy girl friendly, very modest, right? And stretchy fabric that lasts forever. When you get it, you're not just getting it to be modest. You're not just getting it to wear clothes. You're getting it to make you feel pretty because you want all in all. The make you feel pretty is the emotion that comes. That is why you're getting it. It's the transformation. The ease is another emotion, right? The last forever is that I want to save money, is that I want to invest in quality items and save money, is another emotion. So people do not buy products, they buy how products make them feel, which naturally leads us to the fourth point. But before I give you the fourth point, have you subscribed to this channel? Like, you have been watching this video for the past 5 minutes and you have not hit the subscription, and make sure you turn on your notification bell, because on this channel, we post 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays. You don't want to miss none of them. So make sure you're saving this, right? So you can go back and watch it and at least share it with one of your friends. It doesn't cost nothing to do. And to do this for yourself, not for me, talk about your business in the chat. You never know who is passing by. So what is number 4? Your digital product has to have a huge impact on the person that is consuming it. What do I mean by an impact? When you impact people, you make them feel something. You trigger something, negative or positively, right, in their life. So let me give you an example. If I ask you right now that what is your favorite movie, you might say Titanic. Why? Because that was a very emotional movie. And every time you watch it, you cry. Okay? Even though you're watching it for the 17th time, because it's that good. That movie is a digital product. It was created once. It's been sold for a lifetime. May your digital product be like that as well. Why? Because it's a very emotional story. Think about your digital product like a movie. How can you hook people in? How can you help them solve a problem? How can you make it interesting so they can stay to the end? And how can you make sure they get outcome if they follow your steps of solving the problem? Okay, which takes us to the last one. If nobody can find you, there's no way you can make sales. A lot of you, especially you, already have an awesome digital products, but nobody, what are you getting from your website? Crickets that sound like this. Why? Because you haven't mastered the art of marketing. In my program, Boss Up Your Skills formula, I teach my students magnetic marketing. I teach my students how to grab people and freeze people in time so they listen to them, because attention is the best kind of currency in this day and age. Because if they don't listen, if they're only giving you 3 seconds, you have little to no hope. But if they give you more, then they understand that they actually need this more than you that you are selling it. This is what I teach in the Boss Up Your Skills formula. And if you're ready to not only create that digital product, because I teach it, turn it into a physical product, just like my book that I wrote, Becoming Home, and I turned it into a physical product, and also market it like a pro, whether you are faceless or face forward, click the link below that says Boss Up Your Skills formula and get registered today. I can't wait to see you on the inside. But for now, let's go. Salam.